IkSC International Kangaroo Science Contest, and we are going to solve question number 11 to 20 of the past paper 2021, and it's for class 9 and 10, that is also known as junior level. Moving on, question number 11, which of the following sequences ranks the substances H2O, CH3OH, C2H5, OH, HF in the ascending order of their boiling point? Different options are given with different orders. However, for that solution, we are going to remember their boiling points, and in the next slide it will give you the boiling points. H2O water boiling point is, we all know that, 100 degrees centigrade. CH3OH methanol 64.7 degrees centigrade. C2H6O, it is ethanol 78.37 degrees centigrade. HF hydrogen fluoride, it is 19.5 degrees centigrade. So ascending order according to their boiling point is HF, CH3OH, methanol, ethanol, and then water, and according to that, option number A is correct. Moving on, question number 12, which of the following is true about the electric potential? Options are given below. A, it is always equal to the electric field. B, it is a vector quantity. C, it is the amount of the work energy needed to move a unit of electric charge, a coulomb, from a reference point to the specific point in an electric field. D, it is zero when a charge is in an electric field. E, it is measured in coulomb. So we are going to interpret every statement one by one. A, it is always equal to the electric field. Look at the formulas of electric potential. V equals to KQ over R, and this is electric field. E equals to minus rate of change in voltage divided by rate of change in the distance. Electric field is always changing according to the rate of change of potential and distance, so both can't be always equal. So this is incorrect option. B, it is a vector quantity. Electric potential is also defined as the work done per unit charge, that is U equals to W multiplied by Q. As the charge and the distance are scalar quantities, therefore the electric potential is the scalar quantity. So this option is incorrect. C, it is the amount of the work energy needed to move a unit of charge, electric charge, a coulomb, from a reference point to the specific point in an electric field. Electric potential definition. The electric potential defined as the amount of the work energy needed per unit of electric charge to move this charge from a reference point to the specific point in an electric field. According to that, both of the definitions are correct, same, so this is correct option. Option number D, it is zero when a charge in an electric field. Zero potential signifies that the charge in our arrangement have been cancelled out. For instance, exactly halfway between two identical and oppositely charged point charges, the potential is zero. If we transfer a particle between any 2 points of the like potential, zero or not, it does not take any energy. So to infinity, zero potential. Here the midline is showing the zero potential, so this is also incorrect option. A, it is measured in coulomb. So the international system of units as the electric potential is expressed in units of joules per coulomb, that is volts, and the differences in potential energy are measured with a voltmeter. That is also no incorrect option. Question number 12, which of the following is true about the electric potential? So according to that, correct option is option number C. Moving on, question number 13, a non-toxic, ductile and corrosion resistant metal used in the food processing industry is A, copper, B, chromium, C, zinc, D, lead, E, SN. So A, B, C, D, E, copper, chromium, zinc, lead, and tin. So the correct option is option number E, tin. Question number 14. A body is suspended by a dynamometer attached to the ceiling of an elevator. When the elevator descends accelerated, it indicates 6 Newton, and when it ascends with the same acceleration, it indicates 14 Newton. Which of the following pairs shows the correct values of the mass of the body and acceleration of the elevator? Options are given below. N is actually equals to mg plus ma if the elevator has an upward acceleration. So it has the acceleration as well as the gravity with the masses. N equals to mg minus ma if the elevator has a downward acceleration. Option number A. M equals to 1 kg and A equals to 4 meter per second. Deceleration and acceleration. Deceleration formula is here and acceleration formula we are going to do it later. So M is same M, we are going to take it common, G minus A. By putting the values, 6 equals to 1, 10 minus 4. So 6 equals to 6. Here N equals to mg plus A, 14 equals to 14. So both sides are same, means option A is correct, which satisfy both equations. So here what we have done, we have put the option number A, and by putting the values in the formula, both sides are giving the same answers. So if both sides are correct, it means this option is correct. So option number A is correct. Question number 15. Some propane is obtained by dehydrating 4 liters of pure isopropyl alcohol. Density is given 0.9 grams per centimeter cube. What volume of propane is released under normal conditions? Options are given. The correct option is option number E, 1344 liters. Question number 16. Choose the phrase that correctly finishes this statement. Electromotive force will be induced. Options are given below. A. In a conductor moving parallel to the field lines. B. If a magnet is inside an electromagnetic coil. C. In a conductive wire that is bent into a loop and is traversed by a time constant magnetic flux. D. When a magnet is moved in or out of an electromagnetic coil. E. In any electromagnetic coil traversed by a time constant magnetic field. An EMF is induced in the coil when a bar magnet is pushed in and out of it. EMFs of opposite signs are produced by motion in opposite direction, and the EMFs are also reversed by reversing poles. The same results are produced if the coil is moved rather than the magnet. It is the relative motion that is important. So according to the heading which were in the previous slide, the correct option is option number D, when a magnet is moved in or out of an electromagnetic coil. Question number 17. Methyl alcohol is a very good fuel, releasing approximately 7,000 kilocalories per kg. How much heat is released when burning 20 moles of methyl alcohol? Atomic masses are given. Carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. Options are given below. From A to E, different kilocalories or megajoules are written. So we are going to solve. Methyl alcohol releasing heat equals to 7,000 kilocalories per kg. Convert kg into grams, and 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So 7,000 over 1000, we are going to convert it, equals to 7 kilocalories per grams. Now converting grams into moles. Moles formula equals to grams over molar mass. Molar mass of methyl alcohol, CH3OH. By putting the atomic masses, you will get 32. Moles formula equals to grams divided by molar mass. Moles equals to, according to that, 7 multiplied by 32 equals to 224. Methyl alcohol releases heat equals to 224 kilocalories per mole. Methyl alcohol releases heat with 20 moles equals to 224 multiplied by 20, and you will get 4480 kilocalories. And according to that, option number C is correct. Question number 18. Choose the phrase that correctly finishes this statement. A real object will form real images that will be. Options A to E are given. Behind plane mirror, in front of concave mirror, behind diverging lens, in front of diverging lens, behind converging lens. So according to that, picture object and image converging lens, real image. Convex lens are also known as converging lens. As long as the object is outside of the focal point, the image is real and behind the mirror. So according to that, option number E, behind converging lens, is correct. Question number 19. Which of the following is a false statement? Options are given. A. Saccharides are substances that provide energy to the human body. B. Glucose is a sweet monosaccharide. C. Proteins can have a constructive role. D. The hydrolysis of starch yield fructose. E. Amino acids are not part of protein. What is an amino acid? Simple definition. Amino acids are the basic building blocks of proteins, and they serve as the nitrogenous backbones for compounds like neurotransmitters and hormones. In chemistry, an amino acid is an organic compound that contains both an amino and carboxylic acid functional group, hence the name amino acid. According to that definition, the correct option is option number E. Amino acids are not part of protein, but these are the opposites, so that is the false statement. Moving to the last question of our video. When a planet orbits the sun, identify which of the following will be conserved. Options are given from A to E. The radius of orbit, the gravitational force, the velocity, the kinetic energy of the orbiting planet. E. The kinetic moment. So for planets, you recall Kepler's second law was his discovery that angular momentum is conserved. For the planets, as they go around the sun, their masses don't change, but their distances from the sun do. As they get closer to the sun, distance gets smaller and they orbit faster, higher velocity. Distance, velocity. Orbital systems such as our solar system have angular momentum conserved. A system of planets orbiting a star has no net external torque, so its angular momentum is constant. Angular momentum formula is equals to I omega. I is inertia. Inertia is equal to mass into velocity, and R, kinetic moment, is equal to angular momentum. So according to that, option number E, kinetic moment, is correct option. So this was the last question, and if you find any ambiguity in the slides, kindly do comments. Thanks. Bye bye.